Okay, Ramez, tell us a little bit about yourself. You're an Egyptologist?
Yes, I am. So I do have a bachelor degree in Egyptology. I was graduated back in 2003 and have been working with the sanctuary retreats from 2005.
Tell us about sanctuary retreats and their
So
itinerary on the Nile.
I think they're the best. I'm working with them for the past 15 years and I think they're amazing. So people come all the way from Cairo, they land in Luxor. A rep from sanctuary retreats bring them to the cruise, and usually it's on a Monday. We check them in the ship, and then we go to the Temple of Karnak. We show them the largest religious structure that was ever built for God in the history of mankind. And then after this, we have lunch on the ship, and then we do the west bank of Luxor, where the exotic colors of the Valley of the Kings and Valley of the Queens and Hatshepsut Temple, the huge imposing images of the Colossi of Memnon. And then we come back to the ship here, and the ship starts sailing to a place called Dendera, which is around 55 kilometers north of Luxor. And this is off the beaten track spots that fewer cruises go into that direction. We visit the Temple of Dendera, then the ship sail again back to Luxor. We get to see the magical Temple of Luxor at nighttime. And on the same night, we sail again and we go to a place called Edfu, which is 180 kilometers south of Luxor. We visit a temple there during daylight, and then we sail again to another temple called Komombo, dedicated to the crocodile god. And then we keep sailing onwards till we arrive to Aswan, and we end up with a beautiful temple of the Temple of Isis, the goddess of love and passion.
Okay, yeah, you've used the term sail a lot, but just to visualize, talk about the boat, because there's actually no sail on the boat.
Oh, well,
It
the
is-
captain is sailing the ship, but
Right, but
you
I'm
know,
saying, so people are visualizing maybe a traditional sailboat, but this is
no,
anything but.
it's
It's a-
a 5-star super deluxe floating hotel. So basically, all the facilities that you ever think of, they have it. The best gourmet food ever on the Nile. It's like the chef is like he's a magician. He's a wow. He comes out with all of these nice, perfect ingredients that he specializes in. I mean, like, I think he's the best chef ever in Egypt. So amazing food. I think the food is part of the experience, and we have even cooking class. Like, people get to learn about the exotic secrets of our chefs. Not just this, but even you from the room, you open the curtains and you get to see the amazing views of the Nile.
Any last tips for viewers?
Well, come. We're all waiting for you. It's amazing spot. You will never regret it. Egypt is amazing. It's like as ancient as it could be. We're all waiting to welcome you here.